dun, 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 dun. Hello, hello, hello. So today I will show the Firebase storage features. Like if the user uploads the image, save the image to the storage and show saved image as a list on the app. Let's start. So I will create the project to React Native Firebase storage. px React Native init storage. Okay, created the React Native project and move to storage file. And let's start. The project is good to use. If I see this error, I must to no. I have to oh yes, I have to use that. Note. And then I have to kill 9 CCB. Kill just 1 second. Kill 9 search process. Command native. Oh, kill 9 337 and okay, cool. Add this here. Okay, build on iOS is fine. Let me try build on Android. Build on Android is fine. So I will open this project as Visual Studio Code. Firebase storage and storage. Open it. So fine. Okay, I added this project, so I will upload this project to GitHub site. Init project. Yes. And I will add the Firebase project. So I will change the title. Create Firebase. So this is my Firebase console. Add Firebase storage. So continue, set default. Okay, finish it to make Firebase project. Then I have to add the setting to add install pm npm. So copy this. Open this file. Okay, open the terminal. Check the locate. Storage folder and install Firebase app. Then the package is added and yam file as well. So I'll try to add. I try to get the Android signing report key. So I can get the SHA-1 key string right here. Absolutely, I have to use debug Android test. the SHA-1 key here, because this instruction mentioned I have to use debug Android test. Debug Android test. So I'll add here a package name. Also, I have to add package name. Right click the Android folder. No, I will open Android Studio here. And file, open. Then move to React Native, Firebase, and storage, and Android. Oh yeah, trust them. Because I have to decide the package name in the Android Studio. And I have to waiting until finish the indexing. Then go to the manifest and add here package. Name is com storage. Because this com.storage is the package name. So I will use it. And then SHA-1 key from Visual Studio. And this one. Don't worry about that. If you close and refresh, it's already added and downloaded Google service JSON. And move to this file to under the Android and app this file. And I have to add this line to Android build grid file. Android build grid. Right here. Under the build script and dependencies. Here. I also add this command line under the Android app build grid. Android app build grid. Here. That's all to set up the Android. And Android is done. How about iOS? Right click the iOS folder name and open in Xcode. And go click the storage and click the sign in capability. Select my name and usually I copy this and go to the Firebase console setting and click the add app, click the iOS, bundle name, register. And download list and move to open storage and storages move to Google Service Info place to here and finish. And one more thing, I have to add the import the Firebase code in the app delegate. Copy this import Firebase and copy this configure in this finish launch. Here and close Xcode, and I have to add this command line in POD. So open iOS and click POD files, and under the target storage, paste use framework linkage static and block this flipper configuration. So block this configuration. After that, move to the top direction and move to iOS POD install. Okay, after that, let me try build again the project. npx and React Native start. If you see this command, copy this command and do that and try again. Build is okay, and I will try to build on Android. If it is fine, I will move to next step to add storage package, cloud storage. Good, it looks good. Then I will add storage package to the project and allow using the storage option in Firebase console. So close this and then add storage. Okay, move to build and click the storage. You can see some explain about storage. I'll click the get started. I will do the test mode. So for next for the next 30 days, anyone can upload and download these storage files. So click that one. Okay, we can use the storage feature in the Firebase. So I'll create a folder. Folder name is images. And then let me try upload one image in here. I will download the image. I will try to upload this image to the storage. The image name is image something random number and upload it here. Click that. It successfully uploaded, and I will try to add this storage package to the project. Go to here and paste. And I have to run this cd iOS and pod install. You can see how to use storage feature and code in this site. So this page explains how to upload the file or app to upload file, do the extra task or download URLs from the file and show listing file and directory and security and multiple bucket as well. So I already finished making the project and I will let you know how to do that. And I'd like to add one more package which pick the image file in the library. I will add the title again. Okay. So I'll search React Native image picker. I will add this package. Click it, homepage. Here is how to add the package and use example and about the option for image picker. So I will install this image picker. Storage install. And then I will do again pod install for iOS build and post install step. So I will use only select image or video from photos. So I have to add this description in the info placed file. So Open the iOS as your Xcode. And move to info file and click the plus button and paste NS photo library user description and select the photo. 되죠? And we don't need some add specific setting on Android. So that's all. Yeah, you can see how to use it, but I already made how to use it. So back to the code. Click the FTSX. So I will use these styles and delete. Okay, I will show you real time. To use it, I have to import the storage and image picker. Never found them. Let me check. Oh, it's true. I didn't do that. So install Firebase storage and cd iOS and build install. Okay, P1 is the complete, and I can use the storage feature, so I can import it. Okay, sounds good. And let me try build it on iOS to see changing screen real time. Next, React Native start. We are also doing something on the background. I will download some example image in Android. So main. I will download this image. And this image. Okay, I will update the UI right now, so I don't need all of views. So delete and delete them, and I will not use this section and save it. So the screen is cleared. So what I will do, first of all, I need add image button. So I will create button, import button, and the title should be add image. If I save it, you can see add image here, but there's no any action because I didn't add any on press function in there. And on press. And let me see it correctly touch the button. And I don't need this one. I don't need this one. I added the React native image picker. Import everything as image picker. So I need the async to get image await image picker library launch image library. Right? Sure. And there should be some option. Selection limited, media type, photo, and include basic default. That's the pick the image option, and if I need the response after pick the image. Async response. If this response did cancel, just notice the user cancelled image picker. Or if the response is include error code, just print the error code. Error code and print response error code. Or if response include the error message, it's same. Just print what is the error message to the developer. Or if the response contains the offset, it means get the image successfully. So we need the first response, offset, and first value and URI. And to print the URI location. URI is file URI. And we have to make the randomly number beside of the image name. So we use the math case, math random one, and make sure we have to set image path for the storage. This image path name should be this. So it under the images folder and image name. And I will use and the number and print and yeah, this function to get the image in photo library. Let me try to do that. Click the add image, show the image list from the photo library. If I click it and add, see the URL is and file URL print the image location. So we have to upload this file to Firebase storage right here. How to do that? Where we will use upload of file feature. It's really easy. Make sure define the reference and then add put file and then file location. We already know this location, so just add this function. I will define the reference right here. Const reference storage. Storage means this one. And I have to show the image list to the user. So I will make here const images set images. Before that, I have to add here user state and use effect, and this use state item data. So I need item data type item data. When we fetch image list from storage, I need image name and image URL. Each type image string. And item pros item data. And this item is for the each row item. Item should be item propose return something view and I will need to define the style container. I will show first without the style. So this will show only the image name and image. Text item image name image. You don't need the image. You source. I need import the image to React Native and URI. URI should be item image URI. Image URI. Yeah. But I didn't edit. Okay, if after add image, it upload to storage. So I will use reference and the location is the image path and put file mean file URI. After then, update the image list. Console. Okay, edit image and get the URL reference. Get the URL using the image path and make the item data. Okay, make image name, image path, URL, and URL. Because this image URL from the download URL and use the image path is we already made image path. And then set image, we use the previous and add previous and add one more the new item data. That's all about add image button function. We have to get the image list from the image store. We have to all of image list in the app. So once opening the app, we have to import all of storage image list. So I will use effect. Reference, refer. I will get all of images folder, the list all. And then after that, I will use the response. And then I forgot this and show like that. And make sure you need the set image. Let's get the response each item and for each. And for each, I need get the image URL for each. Const image path runs the full path. Const URL await reference and get the image path and get download URL. This full image path is return kind of image and image random number. And we will use this image path to download the URL. After that, make item data. Image name is image path. Image URL should be URL. And update set images. Previous is return previous and item data. Because these images set the empty list can add the new item data from the storage server. And we have to show images as the view. So move to here, images. If it's not null, to each value return to item. And the item need key. I will use the key value image name. And then item needs to be value. So that's all of that. But I didn't set the image width and height. If I add the style width 70 and height 70, see this image from this. Yeah, let me try add one more image from the library. So click that one and add. After a few seconds, the new image added in the list. If I refresh this page, images. Oh, I forget images. It's my typo. Delete. So let me try again. I will add this image. This image added. After I refresh, this image is added here. Yeah, that's all, but I have to update the style. So I need get the window width. Try to add this dimension to this native and container border width. One border color select border radius padding margin. I will use this container to the view. So styles. If I update, wrapping each item with the border. And how about the image name? Flex 1. Justify contents center. And padding 10. Font weight bold. And text align is center. Font size 20. I will use this image name styles to the text. Styles. Style. So update like that. I will expand the image during the full width on the screen, and then define the height depends on the font size. So image, simply define the name is image width 100%, and height. I already defined the font screen width, so I will use that. Window width and 0%, and border radius 10. And I will use this style to here. Style. Yeah, looks better. So let me try add this image. Image added, the last one. Let me refresh the storage. It's good. And it looks good on the iOS. How about build on Android? So I finish build on iOS, and let me try build on Android. Okay, load the image is fine. How about add image? Click the add image, and let me try add this image. Click them, click it, and the image added in the last in the list view. And let me refresh the storage page. Yeah, this image added to storage directory. So that's all. You can download this code in my GitHub site. I will upload that except the Firebase configuration. Let me see. Changes on stage. Okay. Okay, you can download this code in my GitHub site. Yes. Okay, it's all about that. If you have any question, please leave me the comment. And that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.